flood warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern San Bernardino County in Southern California until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:48 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain near Essex and west of Needles. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly on parts of Essex, Goffs, and National Trails Highway. Flash flooding is also possible near the intersection of Interstate 40 and Highway 95. Some locations that will experience flooding include Highway 95 at mile marker 29, Needles, Highway 95 and Interstate 40 in Essex.